Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to fix the maximum number of attempts reached to try again later login error in TikTok. If you are facing this issue, follow these steps to resolve it. First, wait for a while. TikTok temporarily blocks login attempts when too many failed attempts are made in a short time. Waiting 30 minutes to a few hours often resolves the issue automatically. Next, ensure you are entering the correct login details. Double check your username and password. If you are unsure, tap Forget Password on the login screen and reset your password through email or phone. If the error persists, clear TikTok cache. Go to device settings, tap apps or app management, find TikTok and tap on it. Tap on storage, then clear cache. Restart TikTok and try logging in again. You can also try using a different login method. For example, switch between using your phone number, email address, or connected social media accounts like Google or Facebook. If none of these steps work, switch to a different network. Sometimes TikTok may temporarily block your IP address due to multiple failed attempts. Switching from Wi Fi to mobile data or vice versa can help bypass this block. Finally, update the TikTok app to the latest version. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for TikTok, and install any available updates. If you still can't log in, contact TikTok support. Go to TikTok's Help Center via their website or submit a report through the app on a different account. These steps should help you fix the login error. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful TikTok tutorials.